Hello, this is Steve Cramer, UNCG Business Librarian, with a short introduction to creating an annotated bibliography.
Let's first get to my STH 231 guide, where I have a guide to making these annotated bibliographies. So library homepage, research guides by subject, the MEHT link, welcome and guides, STH 231. And then we'll go over to this page. Maybe the most important thing you'll get from this video is that this link is here. It gives you a definition of the annotated bibliography, also steps to write one, and beneath that examples. I use a different topic here, topic of wine tourism, and notice you can cite a web page or an article from a journal, a library market research database, something we pay for, that's free to you of course, or even just a table. This down here is actually a table I got from another product. But each one of these, as you see, has a paragraph. Paragraph basically defines what it is. It describes what the main points are. If it's a research article like this one here, it'll tell you what research was conducted. And then finally, each of these annotations includes an explanation of what the point is of this site. In other words, why did you bother to find it, and why are you using it? What's the context here? And for example, for this article, it gives you some quotes. That gives you perspectives from people inside the industry. This one gives you research about what really matters regarding factors of increasing tourism in Europe. So what's the main point? Why do you use this article? How does it help you write this paper? That's really the final sentence. Should really be that. I'm going to conclude by showing you basically some steps that are illustrated here, namely how to go into a database, find an article, find a citation for it, and then how to use that content to help build your own annotation. So back to the research guide and the international articles page. I'm going to use Business Source Complete, find a few articles. I'm going to switch topics just for fun. Air travel and climate change. And number 8 I noticed earlier today was interesting. It's about Flyer's Dilemma. I can open the full article. 14 pages. You don't need to read all that at the first time. Read the abstract, look at the introduction, go to the bottom and find the conclusion and read the conclusion. There it is. And skim the rest. Don't read the rest for now. You will later. But now skim the rest, see what the main topic is, see what kind of data they've got or topics or any other information in the middle. And that may be enough for you to get started. Back in EBSCO here where we did our search, Business Source Complete, we can go over to the right side, click on Cite, get a citation in APA or MLA format. I'm going to use APA. Go into Word. And we need to fix two things here to make it really good APA. One is there's too many capital letters in the title. You only capitalize in the article titles or web page titles. You need proper names and the first word. So we need to get rid of all these. Good. And then second and final, we need to use the ruler to have inverted margins or reverse indentation. There we go. And now, having read the abstract and the introduction and conclusion and skimming the rest, we can start writing our annotation here, including why you are using this article. And that's one easy way to get started with your annotated bibliographies. To conclude, if I can help, let me know. On the right side of all these tabs, you have my email link, a chat box, ability to schedule a visit with me online or in person, and other social media connections. So please let me know what I can do to help you out, and good luck writing your annotated bibliographies.